Dallas Market Center, located in Dallas, Texas, is a 5 million square foot wholesale trade center housing showrooms which sells consumer products including gifts, lighting, home decor, apparel, fashion accessories, shoes, tabletop housewares, gourmet, floral, holiday, and more. It was also the destination of United States President John F. Kennedy's motorcade when he was assassinated in Dealey Plaza on November 22, 1963. The marketplace is closed to the public but open to qualified retail buyers and interior designers, manufacturers, and industry professionals. Market events throughout the year attract more than 200,000 buyers and sellers from all 50 states and more than 80 countries. The address is 2200 Stemmons Fwy, Dallas, Texas 75207, USA. Jen from Turtle Creek Lane is a frequent visitor. The four-building campus includes the World Trade Center, Trade Mart, International Trade Plaza, and Market Hall. Inside these buildings, nearly 2,300 permanent showrooms offer more than 35,000 product lines from manufacturers around the world. Trammell Crow developed the nearby Dallas Decorative Center, which opened in 1955. The two-story International Trade Plaza, which opened in 1957, is the first building at the current site of Dallas Market Center. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.